over half of our college graduates unable to find jobs, plus a struggling economy, employment futures seem bleak. When we factor in a finite amount of natural resources and growing populations, the resulting challenges are many. In June of 2011, the McHenry County Schools Environmental Education Program, MCSEEP, received a CTEI grant through the state of Illinois and the McHenry County Cooperative for Employment Education. Grant funds were used to create lessons that address these employment concerns. We felt 8th grade was the perfect place to introduce sustainable career options. The completed lesson explores the theory of natural capitalism and cradle-to-cradle production. Our goal is to satisfy today's needs without diminishing the prospects of future generations. We begin by identifying green career opportunities, plus the training required for those positions. Next, we examine the traits employers desire, thus giving the students a solid foundation to build their career aspirations. The following clips are highlights from this lesson being taught to 8th grade students in Crystal Lake, Illinois.
Or do you think they were just really open to the material? Just general impressions.
Well, they were very excited about the presentation, and it was certainly a subject that they could participate in and add to the discussion. So I think it was eye-opening for them. When you look at the vast, areas that they can contribute in the future as far as careers, that's something they have not had experience with before, is knowing all of those opportunities. So I think it was very eye-opening.
You remember we talked about our economy today? Let me just show you this real briefly. These were the numbers of graduates last year, college graduates, that successfully were able to find jobs in their chosen careers. Do you know what the term underemployed means? You know what unemployed means, right?
Yeah.
No job. Okay. You know what underemployed means?
It means they're. Wait, okay. It means that you're doing a job that you're overqualified for.
Perfect. That's the best definition. And maybe you're doing 2 part-time jobs because there's no full-time job. So what our economy is trying to do is get out of the Great Recession, number one. But what you also are hearing is more and more opportunities developing in the green sector. They're actually calling it that, the green sector. Jobs and sustainability. And you're going to see. Can somebody describe the economic model that this poster presents graphically? We've got the Earth's natural resources, which help create our wealth, right? And we have an economic process that does what? Turns those things into, what do we use the resources for?
Insurance.
Our cars, stuff, there you go.
iPods.
What is it?
iPods.
iPods. Now what happens to that stuff after we use it? Unfortunately. What's wrong with it? What's the difference?
It's sustained.
Say it again? Oh, I didn't see it. What have we just done when we changed that model? Can somebody explain how that would change our economics? Here, but they have figured out a way to make sure everything is the loop is closed. And got it? And so that's how we have to change the way we think.
Is it possible to find a rewarding career that utilizes individual talents and gifts, but also promotes sustainability of the Earth's resources? We believe our lesson answers with a resounding yes.